Did you know many YouTube channels like Daily Fact or Psychology Mix have monetized their channel by just uploading bulk generated shorts? So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make these bulk videos. So let's begin. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt from description. Open the link in the description and go to the website. Wait sometimes for the site to load, and after the timer starts, wait. Let the timer go off. Meanwhile, do something and open the ad in new tab. Wait till the timer goes off. Now click on next article. Wait for some time. We have came to the other page and repeat the same process over here. We might have to repeat the process one more time and we will get the link. Yeah. Click on next article. Okay, we got the link for the Canva. Now wait for some time and click get link. Congratulations, now you are officially on the Canva team and you can use the pro features now. After creating the Canva Pro account, now let's go to the bulk creation. Open Canva in your website and select a new design and choose YouTube Shorts. We can use the given templates, but today we are going to make it from scratch. So go to the elements and search for a peaceful background or something that is related to your niche. I am going to choose this sunset and let me make it full. Yeah, I think that is good. Now you have to make the video of length under 10 seconds. I'm making it 9.7. Yeah, it's done. After that, let's add some text. Click on the text button and click add heading. After that, name the heading like I am doing. Make sure that the blue box touches the both sides of the video. And now let's maintain the duration. For managing the duration, right click on the text and click show timing. kind of fine, and now you can skip to the bulk rate part, but to make the text in the video more precise, we are going to follow this step. And let's make a manual video by ourselves. This will help to make the video much more precise and text much more accurate in our upcoming videos. For making the manual video ourselves, we have to copy and paste the script that the ChatGPT has given into the respective columns manually. Let's add some background and effect. You can get that in effect. You have to adjust the effects accordingly to your video. I am showing you all the steps so that you won't be confused on how to do it, and you can just follow me. It's taking time, so let me just speed it up. Yeah, it sounds good now. But little bit of error. Yes, to do it, we can move it down and adjust the thing, and we will again move it behind the other layers. Now, important part on the bulk creation. Left side, search for app and search bulk create. There, you will find this and click on enter data manually. Now, for entering the data, first let's clear this up and let's go to ChatGPT. Copy the whole facts given by ChatGPT and paste it by clicking over. Yes. Our text have colon, so to remove them, let's open Excel and create a blank document. Paste the facts there and choose find and select. Choose replace. After, type semicolon in find what and choose click replace all. Copy the facts and paste it in Canva. Now it is important part to connect data. Click on the text and a bar appears above, and there choose connect data and you can connect it. And you can also directly connect by right clicking on the data itself. Connect the data to their respective elements. After connecting the data, click continue and create designs. Boom. Congratulations, now you have successfully created the bulk videos. To download the zip file, click on share and be sure to click on individual. delete download all file. You can download the zip file and use it in your videos. Thank you.